If you're thinking about getting started with affiliate marketing, then you're going to want to watch this video. Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons when it comes to getting started with affiliate marketing. Now, chances are if you're watching this video, then you probably heard about affiliate marketing and you probably thought it's a good way to make money online. But if you're not completely sure what affiliate marketing is, basically it's when you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link, and whenever somebody clicks on your link and they purchase that product that you're promoting, then you would earn a commission. So it's a basic concept to understand. But there's a lot more to it than that. So that's why in this video I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons about affiliate marketing. But before I share the pros and cons with you guys, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into this video. So let me start off by talking about the pros when it comes to affiliate marketing. So one of the pros is that it's low cost to get started. So you can actually even get started for nothing basically. But I would recommend investing some type of money into some kind of tools that are going to help you increase your chances of making sales with affiliate marketing. But if you have like absolutely no money, you can get started by joining a program like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Those are both free programs to get started with, and then you can just start promoting affiliate products right away. But if you do have some type of budget to invest into affiliate marketing, I would recommend investing into an email software service. This is going to increase your chances of getting more people to buy your products. Now, if you don't know what an email software service is, it's basically a paid service where you can set up an autoresponder sequence so you can write out emails ahead of time, and whenever somebody joins your email list, they're going to automatically receive those emails whenever they sign up to your list. So you don't have to go through the hassle of writing out an email list one by one to every person that signs up to your list. It's the best way to automate your business. Now, the second pro about using affiliate marketing is that you don't have to deal with any of the refunds. You don't have to deal with any of the returns or dealing with any customers that are unhappy, because the person who created that product, they're gonna be the ones who has to deal with that. So all you're doing is just referring people to buy a product, and then you make a commission every time that somebody does. So this is probably the most hassle-free method of making money online. Now, pro number 3 is that you don't have to create your own products. So this kind of goes with the second method or the second tip. You don't have to deal with any of the refunds. Like I just mentioned, the person who created that product, they're the ones who have to deal with the refunds. So you don't have to create your own product as well. The person who obviously you're promoting their product, they're the ones who created that product. So it's kind of like you're an online salesman. Now, the fourth pro about using affiliate marketing is you don't have to worry about any inventory. Most of the products that are promoted as affiliate products, they're going to be digital products. So once somebody makes a purchase, they're going to receive that product instantly. But there are a lot of products that are going to be physical products that are affiliate products. A great example is Amazon Associates. When you sign up to become an Amazon Associate, meaning you can promote any product that is sold on Amazon as an affiliate, everything almost on Amazon that is sold is a physical product. Let's say I'm promoting a toaster that's sold on Amazon. If somebody clicks on my affiliate link and they purchase that toaster, that's going to be a physical product. But I don't have to store that product in my garage, my closet, my house, nothing like that. And the same thing applies when you're promoting any type of affiliate product. You don't have to store any of that inventory and take up space in your house, or you don't have to rent out some kind of office or storage to store affiliate products. The person who created that product, more than likely, if it's a physical product, they're storing that in their own warehouse or storage. And if it's a digital product, they don't have to store that product either, because it's a digital download. Somebody pays for that product and they get immediate access to it. So that's about the most things I can think about when it comes to the pros of using affiliate marketing. So let me just move on to the cons. And there's not really too many cons when it comes to this business. So let me just talk about the first one, which is going to be delayed results. So this is probably what gets people the most, is that they expect instant results when they get started with affiliate marketing. They see somebody talking about how much money they're making with affiliate marketing, how much money they're making online, passive income or whatever, and they expect to get the same results. But what most people don't tell you when it comes to online businesses, or in this business in specific, is how much time and hard work that it takes to reach that level of success. Now, why does it take delayed results when you get into this business? It's not like an e-commerce website where you create a product and somebody sees that product, they buy it, and they receive it. When you're going into affiliate marketing, if you're brand new to this business, basically nobody knows you. So they're not really willing to buy a product that a random stranger that they see on the internet is promoting to them. They don't know if that product is any good. They don't know if that guy is trustworthy. They don't know if they're going to get any value from that product. Now, that's what most people don't consider when they get started with affiliate marketing. It takes a long time. You have to create content and build up trust. You have to build up an audience in order to get results that you're going to see all these other people talking about when they talk about how much money they're making online. So I just want you to keep that in mind if you're thinking about getting into this business, because this is an actual business. Most people think this is some kind of get rich overnight type of thing, and it's not. There's plenty of other ones that are out there like that. If you guys want to go check that out, you're more than welcome to. But affiliate marketing is a long-term business. Now, the second con about affiliate marketing, this might be important to some people, but other people, they might not really care, which is going to be promoting somebody else's brand. So promoting other brands. So the reason why this might be a con for some people and not to others is because people want to create their own brand. They want to stand out from the crowd. They want to create their own business. So when you're promoting somebody else's brand, you're not promoting your own brand. For people who are just looking to make money with affiliate marketing, that doesn't really bother them too much. But if you're somebody who's looking to create your own brand to stand out from everybody else, this might be an issue because nobody's not really recognizing your brand. They're just recognizing the brand that you're promoting. Now, the third con about using affiliate marketing, which a lot of people might think this is a con, is that affiliate marketing, it has way too much competition. It's oversaturated. But the truth of the matter is, if people like you, they're going to resonate with what you're selling. They're going to resonate with your message. If you can build a connection between you and your audience, they're not going to really buy from anybody else. They would rather buy from you. Now, that's an excuse that most people would make, is they say, oh, there's a million other people who are promoting the same product that I am. Why would they buy from me? And the simple answer is because you're you. You have a specific message. You have a specific connection to certain people. Not everybody that you see promoting that other product that you're thinking about promoting is going to resonate with a certain type of audience. Even the big public figures that you know, they're not going to resonate with every demographic out there, because they just might not like the way that they present, the way they talk, their body language, or whatever. They're going to have their own demographic that they're going to reach, and somebody else is going to have a completely different demographic, even if they're promoting the same message and the same products, because just the way they speak, the way they present themselves is going to be different. So you shouldn't let that stop you by saying, oh, affiliate marketing is oversaturated, there's way too much competition, I don't stand a chance. You should just focus on your message. And I guarantee you, people are going to resonate with that message. So if you're somebody who's thinking about getting started with affiliate marketing, I hope this video helped you out. There's not really too many cons when it comes to getting started. The pros outweigh the cons by a lot. So hopefully this video cleared some things up for you guys. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a free ebook down in the description of this video called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. And I go into more detail about what affiliate marketing is and how you can use it to start making money online. And if you want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, then check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got some value from it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Whoops, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.